Has this ever happened to you? You're working on a page template, getting it to look a certain way, and then you tweak it so that some of those areas in that template are no longer visible on the page, and you lose the blocks inside them. For example, if I take this blog entry page and I change it to a full width page, all of the content in my sidebar is no longer going to be visible on the page. Or say you're working with a new version 9 feature like containers or a page layout, anything that makes its own sub areas, and you encounter a bug that leads to a complete loss of the container or layout that you're working with. Poof, all the content in that container or layout is gone on that page, and there's really no way to get it back. In both of these cases, there are blocks that are in some way attached to this page, but they're not being rendered. In the best case, these might be blocks that just hang around in the background, slightly slowing things down. But in the worst case, maybe you've lost content that you spent a really long time working on. And sometimes in these cases, page versions won't be any help. You've just kind of lost that content. Thankfully, we have a new feature coming in Concrete version 9 that aims to make these situations a breeze. We call it Orphaned blocks. This has been requested by the community for a long time, and I think the implementation of the feature is really, really nice. Let me show you how it works. Okay, you're working with a page that's got some blocks that aren't being rendered properly. Just put that page in edit mode, click on the add icon, and find the Orphaned blocks option in the menu. It won't be there unless there are actually blocks on the page that aren't rendering. Here you'll see all of the blocks that aren't being rendered properly on the page. This will work for a page in any situation. We compute the areas that the page actively renders and then compare that with all the blocks that are in the database for that page. So we can always detect if something isn't showing up the way Concrete thinks that it should. Here it is for our blog entry example. And here it is working for our botched area example. Just drag the blocks out of the area if you'd like to repurpose them into the page. Or you can delete them right from the panel. Want to remove them all? We've got a button for that. A lot of thought has gone into this issue over the years from myself and John the Fish, along with valuable development work from Fabian Bitter and M. Locati in GitHub. We're really excited about all the new features coming to Concrete in version 9, and we can't wait for you to get to work with it. Thanks, everyone. We'll talk again soon.